how to view calendar by month, week or day on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Now on the home screen, open up the calendar app. Then if you want to change the view of the calendar, tap on the menu button here at the top. Here you can show the view by week. So here we have a weekly calendar. So every time you swipe across, it will change to the next week or the previous week. You can view the calendar by day. So that's for the whole day. And here you can swipe across to the different days. Okay, so that is your calendar by the day. And we go back to the monthly calendar. So you can switch over to different months. At the top, it will show the whole month. At the bottom are the events for that particular month. And here we can view all the events for the selected month at the top. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.